classification. Classification meaning find the odd word out. All right. So we have on the screen today, without wasting time, let's start off with the exercise. The first one that we have: wheat, paddy, jowar, and mustard. So Harshit has already answered that. Kiranmai has answered it. Bhagirat has answered. Very nice. Ruchita has answered. Very good. So this is Redmi. Whoever Redmi is, Redmi is still to identify himself or herself. They're very shy of using their name. Who is Redmi? C.S. Shreya has answered. Yes. Now the point is that whereas, yes, that's right. Sairam Satvik has answered. Nitya, good afternoon, Nitya, and welcome to the class. So wheat, paddy, jowar are all food grains. Mustard is a spice. So therefore, answer is mustard. Answer is mustard. Okay. So let's go on quickly. Let's go on to the second one. So mustard. So second one, apple, mango, potato, orange. Oh, so it is cool. This is a kindergarten question. So no prizes for guessing the right answer. It's so simple. Potato, the rest being fruits. Chair, bench, table, and stool. Oh, good. Nitya has answered. Sairam Satvik has answered. Everybody has answered. Okay, the others are for sitting. Table is for putting your laptop on. Okay, let's go on to the fourth one. Fourth one. Okay, yes. The other being Mercury, Earth, Jupiter are all planets, whereas Titan is not. Okay, Mercury, Earth, Jupiter are all planets. Okay, fifth one, C.H. Shreya has answered, Harshit has answered, S. Shreya has answered, Sairam Satvik has answered. Very nice. Kiran Mai has answered. Yes. Walk, run, crawl have to do with your ability to move. Ride is you get onto another animal or you get onto a vehicle. All right, to ride. Sixth, what is the answer? Sixth is, okay. Sixth is, I've got all kinds of answers. As far as sixth is concerned, I have all kinds of answers. So whoever is answering has to give me a logic. Just the answer is not going to be sufficient. Just give me the logic. Please give me the logic. What's the logic? Six is, okay. Sairam Satvik says all the others involve heating. Okay. Except A, remaining indicate temperature. All others involve heating, but C involves cooling. Okay. Now I have a different view on that. Boil, freeze, and simmer. What do? Usually, you would take a liquid. Most often, it's water. You would boil, freeze, or simmer. All right. Whereas bake is a totally different process altogether. Okay. So bake is for a solid, and it involves a whole lot of process, not just heating. It involves a whole lot of other things. So I would say that bake is the right answer here. Boil, freeze, and simmer all involve operations on a liquid, most probably water. Okay, let's go on. Seventh one. Yep. Seventh one, A is simple. Biscuits, cake, and bread all are done in the bakery. They're all baked. Chocolates, not so. Okay. Now next one. Eighth one. Yes. Ton, quintal, kilogram. They're all units of weight. Gallon is measures the volume of a liquid. So answer is A. So A is the odd one out. Everybody has got it. Nitya, good. Nitya, that's the answer. Shreya, you also got the answer. Bhagirat, Shreya, you all got the answer. Now let's go to the ninth one. Ninth one. Ninth one. What's the answer? Shreya has answered. Sairam Satvik has answered. Harshit has answered. Ruchita has answered. Kiranmai has answered. Bhagirat, Nitya has answered. Okay. A lot of people are getting the right answers. Okay. So blade, axe and scissors, they cut. All right. Needle is pointed and it pierces something. So answer is needle. Okay. Let's go on. 10th one. 10th one. Shreya has given the answer. Sairam Satvik. Okay. Harshit, you got to explain why you're saying that. Somebody has given. Kiranmai also, you got to explain. Ruchita has got the answer. Shreya has got a different answer. Bhagirat has got the right answer. T. Rishita has got the right answer. All right. Now, if you see, of all the things, bat is a mammal. Spider, cockroach, mosquitoes are not mammals. So bat is the answer here. Bat is a mammal. It is neither spider nor cockroach. Some of you have given that as the answer. Okay, this is cool. 11th question. I can't see engineers going wrong out here, or prospective engineers going wrong out here. Yes. Square, rectangle, triangle are all plane figures. Okay, cube on the other hand is a three-dimensional. Okay, now let's see. What is the logic that you'll use here? Mango, watermelon, apple and pomegranate. What is the logic that you'll use? Sairam, Satvik, you got to see why. What is the answer? Why? Bhagirat gives another answer. Shreya has got an answer. Okay. Who is ITEL for A46? ITEL A46. Who is that? Akshita has given an answer. Okay. CH Shreya gives an answer. Okay. You got to give a logic. You got to use a logic. Kiranmai. Okay. Why Kiranmai? Ruchita, why is that the answer? Harshit. Is that the answer? Okay. I have a different take on it. Just look at this. Have you seen a watermelon plant? Any of you? Yashwant, okay. Have you seen a watermelon plant? Any of you? Watermelon plant? Now, a watermelon plant is a creeper. It's actually called a vine, V-I-N-E. It's a creeper. Whereas the apple, mango and pomegranate trees are solid trees. All right. So watermelon is grown on a creeper, and the melons you will find mostly on the ground itself. Whereas apple, pomegranate and mango are all grown on proper trees. I would say watermelon is the answer. Okay, let's go on. 13th is a simple one. Yes. Breathing. Yes, that's right. Swimming, dancing, playing are all verbs, all action verbs. Breathing doesn't involve any of those. So breathing is the answer. That's straightforward. Let's go on. Teacher, principal, student, lecturer. What could be the answer? Okay. Right, that's the answer. Answer is a student. All the others involve things which are done to a student. Okay, let's go on. 15th. Okay, 15th. Yes, Shreya has given the answer straight away. Let's wait for the others. Bhagirat has given the answer. Ruchita has given the answer. Yes, Yashwant has given the answer. Sairam Satvik has given the answer. Nitya has given the answer, yes. So attachment, friendship, intimacy are all involve some kind of closeness. Enmity on the other hand is totally opposite of these things. Okay, 16th one. Hostel, hotel, club, motel. A. Shreya has answered. Shreya, Yashwant. Yeah, Yashwant is, you got the answer. Ashreya, that's not the answer, Ashreya. Satvik, yes. Ruchita, yes. Okay, Nitya, that may not be the answer. Harshit also. CH Ray also, that's not the answer. Harshit, why? Yes. Sairam Satvik has got it right. So Rishita has also got it right. Ashray has got it right. Hostel, hotel, motel are places where you stay. Club is not a place where you stay. Answer is club. Okay. So answer is club. Let's go on. 17th one. 17th one. 17th one, yes. A lot of you have given the answer. It's straightforward. Yep. So all of them involve firing some ammunition. Okay. So sword involves cutting. All the others, all are weapons, but gun, pistol and cannon involve some kind of firing of an ammunition. Okay. 18th one. What's the answer? 18th one. Shrestha, you got to look at your answer. Shrestha, welcome back to the class after a long gap. We were all missing you. So there were two Shreshthas and both the Shreshthas were absent. So answer is sword, Shrestha, for the previous answer, for the previous question. Okay. Nitya says paper. Nitya says paper. Why paper? C.H. Shreya also says paper. Can you explain that? Nitya, why is that the answer? Why is paper an answer? Anjali, yes, Anjali. There is no rock out there, Anjali. Only a stone is there. Okay. Yashwant has given the good answer. Yashwant has, Madhumita, good afternoon and welcome. Yes, Yashwant, you're right. That's the answer. Anjali has also answered it. That's right. See, wood, cork, paper, all three of them are products, are all made from a plant, all made from wood. Okay, stone on the other hand is heavier. Okay, stone is on the other hand is heavier and it is not made from a plant. All the others are made from a plant. Okay, so stone is heavier and not made from a plant. 19th question is simple. Yashwant has got the answer. Yashwant has got the answer. Rishita has got the answer. Ruchita has got the answer. C.H. Shreya has got the answer. Anjali, yes. Shreyas Naidu, good afternoon and welcome to the class. Woke up a little late, Shreyas. Okay. S. Shreya has answered. Okay. What about the rest? What about the rest? Yes, Nitya has answered. Nitya has answered, yes. Shrestha has answered. Okay, so obviously equity, fairness, justice are all things which ensure fair play. Whereas partiality is just the opposite of all of these things. Partiality is the answer. Okay, 20th. Madhumita, you got to answer, Madhumita. Yes. Shreya has answered. Yashwant has answered. Shreyas Naidu has answered. Sairam has answered. Rishita has answered. Yes, Madhumita, Kiranmai, Ruchita, everybody has answered. Very nice. All right. So foggy, turbid and cloudy all mean things which are unclear. Turbid also means unclear. So also foggy, so also cloudy. So answer is transparent. Transparent means you can look through. It is clear. Transparent means you can look through and it is clear. Okay. So 20th, we've got the answer. Let's go on. 21. 21. 21. Rain, mist, smoke and fog for the same reason. For the same reason. Yes, a lot of you are answering. Okay, good. For the same reason, it's neither mist, smoke or fog. It is rain. Okay, rain is the answer. Anjali, why is it smoke, Anjali? Mist, smoke and fog all have similar kind of conditions where you can't look through. All right. So rain is, it doesn't involve any of these things. Okay. So answer is rain. Let's go on to 22. 22. Let's go to 22. Yes, Shrestha, you got it right. Okay, Satvik, you may like it, but that's not the answer. Everything involves a seed, Satvik. Okay. Madhumita, yes. Kiranmai, no way. So sugarcane, coffee, tobacco are beverages or are used for other purposes. Rice, on the other hand, is a food grain. Rice, on the other hand, is a food grain. Rice is a food grain. All the others are not. Okay. So answer is rice. Let's go on. 23. 23. Okay, 23. Akshita, why is that the answer, Akshita? CH Shreya also says that is the answer. Kiran Mai, oh, Ruchita has got the answer. Ruchita has got the answer. Anjali, Anjali, you got to explain why. Why is that the answer? Why is that the answer? Rishita has got it right. Ashreya, why is that the answer? Okay. Rishita has got the answer. Shrestha has got the answer. Okay, you're all chemistry students. Yes, Ruchita, you got the answer. Chlorine is a gas. Chlorine is a gas, and that is why it is the odd one out. Chlorine is the gas. Okay. Okay. One could look at it that way, but we are not getting into direct action there. We are not getting into direct chemical composition there. Chemical composition may not lead to the answer. Chlorine is a gas, the others are all solids. Yeah, that's what, CH Shreya, that's what I'm trying to say. We are getting into too much of chemical composition there. We are looking at something which is much simpler. Chlorine is a gas, the others are all solids. Let's go on to 24. 24 answer is yes. Huh? 24 answer yes. Yashwant has got it right. Satvik, Sairam Satvik, that's not the answer. Rishita, yes, you got it right. Madhumita, that is not the answer. Breeze, lightning, snow have all got to do with the atmospheric conditions. All right. Winter, on the other hand, is a season. Winter is a season. Snow and breeze and lightning have all got to do with atmospheric conditions. Okay, let's go on. 25th. 25th. Yep. Akshita has got it right. Yashwant has got it right. Sairam Satvik has got it right. Shreya has got it. I mean, that is pretty simple. Heart, spade and club have got to do with your cards. Okay. Whereas brick is not. Okay. So that brings us to a close as far as our first exercise is concerned. Let's go to the second exercise. Let's go to the second exercise. Let's start off with the first one. Let's start off with the first one. Yes. Are you all able to see all of the options A, B, C, D? Okay, let's look at the first one. The first one is simple. The first one is simple and straightforward. Is sun. All the others are planets. The first one is the first one is sun. Okay, second one. Let's look at the second one. Judge, scant, crowd, and flush. Oh, it's not easy. It is not easy. Why so, Yashwant? Why is that the answer? It's not easy. It's not obvious. You got to think. Ruchita, what is the logic? I am interested in the logic. Yashwant, I want the logic. Bhagirath, what is the logic? What is the logic? Here, the answer is not important. The logic is important. What is the logic? What is the logic? Shreya also has given the answer. What is the logic? What is it, Sairam? I'm not able to get you. Verb. No way. Fluid is a verb. Shreya. Flush. Okay, flush. Sorry, it's flush. Okay, flush. Scant. Scant is a verb. Scant is a verb. What is scant? Scant. Scant rainfall. Is scant a verb? No, it is not a verb. Okay. Let me see if somebody else can come up with the answer. Nitya has come up with that. What is the logic, Nitya? What's the logic? Harshit has come up with the answer. But what is the logic, Harshit? Nitya, you said you gave an answer. Shreyas has given some answer. But what is the logic? I'm interested in the logic. I'm interested in the logic. Ruchita, what is the answer? Why? I'm interested in the logic. Ruchita? Rest of them are quantities. What quantities, Harshit? Okay, now if I give the answer, it looks so simple. If I give the answer, it look, yes, Ruchita. Ruchita, you got it right. Ruchita, you got it right. Okay, Ruchita, you've got it. Shreyas, what has scant got to do? What is the relationship with humans? What is the relationship with humans? Okay, judge. The word judge has got two vowels, U and E, whereas all the others have only one vowel. All right. So answer is judge. Ruchita has come up with the logic. I hope Ruchita has not done a Google on this. Have you tried Google, Ruchita? Okay. So judge has two vowels. All right. So all the others have single vowel. Okay. Third one. Rose, lotus, marigold, and lily. Yes. Everybody has given the answer. Almost everybody has given the answer. What is the logic? Lotus is a Bhagirath. Why marigold, Bhagirath? Why marigold? Yes, Nitya has given the answer. What is the logic? Yeah, Ruchita. Yes, everybody has given the answer. But why? What is the logic? What is the logic? Logic is that lotus is a waterborne water plant. Exactly. Nitya, you're right. Lotus is a water plant. Yes. Okay, now let's go on to fourth. Fourth, what's the answer? Fourth, what is the answer? Think about it. Think about fourth. Think about fourth. Yes, that's right. So a lot of you have got it right. A lot of you have got it right. Very nice. Shreyas has given. All the others have start with a vowel except put. Put starts with a consonant. Okay. Sairam Satvik, you like owls, is it? Or are you a night owl? Okay. What is your logic, Sairam Satvik? You like owls? Or are you a night owl? Okay. So answer is put. Why? Because all the others start with a vowel and put starts with a consonant. Okay, let's go on to fifth one. Fifth one, no prizes for guessing the right answer. We have already answered this. This is a repeat. Okay, let's go on. Okay, sixth one. Sixth one starts with FBI. Okay, how do you answer the sixth one? How do you answer the sixth one? Sixth one, let's see. Take your time, but answer. We've already done this kind of questions. We've already done this kind of questions. You'll have to see how to answer this. Akshita has given an answer. Ruchita has given an answer. Aishreya has given the answer. Akshita and Aishreya, what is the logic? Please tell me the logic. What is the logic? So, Kiranmay has got the answer. Yashwant has got the answer. Shreya, what is the logic, Shreya? Sairam Satvik has got the answer, but I want the logic. Shreyas Naidu also has got the answer. Yes, Sairam Satvik. Yes, yes, you got it right. If you see, okay, Madhumita, why is that the answer, Madhumita? What is the logic, Madhumita? Okay, you're right. Okay. Shreyas Naidu has given the answer, has given the logic. Yashwant, no, that's not the logic, Yashwant. That is not the logic. Yashwant, that is not the logic. Bhagirath, no, Bhagirath, that is not the answer. See, you've all forgotten what we have done in letter series. We've all done a lot of letter-based questions. You've already forgotten. You've already forgotten letter-based. Yes, Ashreya, that's the answer. So if you see F and B, B is the fourth letter in the reverse direction after F. Fourth, like this, it is -4. And I is 7 places ahead. I is 7 places ahead. I is 7 places ahead of B. I is 7 places ahead of B, and B is 4 places ahead of F. All right. Similarly, QMT. If you see Q, M is in the 4th position in the reverse direction, and T is 7th position from M in the forward direction. Similarly, VRY, -4 and +7 and +7. Whereas in the case of HEK, we have H and E -3 and +6. -3 and +6. That is the reason D is the answer. All right. So D is the answer. Okay. Everybody has got this now. Let us go on to the 7th one. Please do the 7th one now. 7th one. Seventh one is pretty simple. Yes, 7th one is pretty simple. Everybody has got it. Yeah, Ashreya, that's right. All the others are consecutive, except that In the case of NPR, they are not. BCD, KLM, PQR, all are consecutive NPR is not so, and therefore answer is B. And all of you have got it right. Good. Now you have thought of something else. So letter-based series, you also have to get into letter-based reasoning. Now let's look at 8. That is why I've chosen this particular exercise. So you should know what to apply where. Okay, eighth one. Eighth one, what is the answer? Take your time. Eighth one. Akshita has given the answer. Akshita, why is that the answer? Yeah, Nitya has given the answer. Nitya, why is that? What is the logic? Yashwant, what is the logic? Shreyas has given the answer. Yes, Shreyas. No, Nitya, that doesn't look like the logic. That doesn't look like the logic. So if you see, what is happening in 8 is, let me see. Yup. Yeah, that's right. So if you see, there is a consistency in all of these things. C and G, 4 letters. D, E, F, D, E, F and G. So G comes in the 4th position after C. All right. G comes in the 4th position after C. Let us look at H and K. I, J, K. Here, K comes after the 3rd position. K comes in the 3rd position. Let us look at E and I. E, F, G, H, and then I. So we are talking about 4th position here. Let us look at J and N. J, K, L, M, N. So 4th position there. All right. Only in the case of B, it comes in the 3rd position. Okay. So you can look at the 1st and 2nd letters also. There will be a logic in the sense, okay, not the 1st and 2nd. You look at the 2nd and 3rd letters also, there will be a logic. 2nd and 3rd letters also, there is a logic. Okay. You can follow that logic. All right. So answer is B. B is the only one. There is a difference. Shreya has given the correct answer. All right. Okay. So the others, just apply patiently whatever rules you have come up with. Just apply patiently to the other options and you will see that they are not consistent. The only consistent rule here is that the last letter comes on the 4th position after the 1st letter. Okay. So the others are not consistent. Let's look at the 9th one. This is rather easy. 9th one. 9th one. Yashwant, move on to the 9th one. Okay. Sairam Satvik has answered it. Shreya has answered it. Madhumita has answered it. Akshita has answered it. Yes. What is the logic? Akshita has answered. What is the logic? What is the logic? Yes. Sairam Satvik has answered it. That's right. So if you see in all of these, Bhagirath, Harshit, Tara, good afternoon. You woke up late today, Tara. Shreyas Naidu, what's the answer? Shreyas Naidu, yes, that's right. Harshit, Madhumita, that's right. Yeah, that's the logic, Madhumita. Yeah, so Shrestha, what's your answer? Shrestha, what's your answer? What's your answer, Shrestha? Yes, yes, Shreya has given the answer. So if you see 2 into 4, if you look at 2 into 4, you get 8. 3 into 2, you get 6. 4 into 1, you get 4. But 3 into 9, you don't get 27. You get 27, but you don't get the number there. So this is the answer. Let's go on. Okay, 10th one. 10th one is very simple. Yes, Nitya, you got the logic right. 10th one is very simple. No prizes for guessing. This is a kindergarten question, not for adults. Okay, brinjal is the answer there. Okay, 11th one. 11th one. Kiran Mai, yes, you got your answer right. Tara, you got the answer. Yes. Let's look at the 11th one. Now let's move on to the 11th one. Shreya has given the answer. Let us see. Shreya has given the answer. Let's see. Let's wait for the rest. Ruchita has given the answer. Yeah, Shreya, that is right. And that also there is another difference. Also there is another difference. That is one difference. There's also another difference. Okay, Nitya has given the answer. What's the logic, Nitya? Yes, Tara, that's right. That's the logic. Yes. Shreyas Naidu. Yes. Tara. Yeah, but why? Okay, what is the logic, Sairam Satvik? Shreya has given the answer. Yes, yes. Shreyas Naidu. That's right. That's the logic, Shreyas Naidu. Yes. Okay, everybody has got it right. So there are two ways B is different. One is it starts with a vowel. Second is it's got two vowels in it. It starts with a vowel and it has got two vowels. The rest of them have just one vowel. All right. So answer is B. 12th. Let's go on to the 12th one. Let's go on to the 12th one. Shreya has given the answer. Okay, Shreya, let's see if that's the answer. Rishita has given another answer. Shreya, come on, Shreya. Don't be in a hurry to answer. Don't be in a hurry to answer, Shreya. Just look at all of them carefully. Rishita has given the answer. Rishita has given the answer, but let's see the logic. Tara, why is that the answer? Shreyas, no Shreyas, that's not the answer. Yes, Rishita, that's right. Fantastic. No, sorry, that's not the logic. That is not the logic. See Shreya, no Shreya, that's not the answer. Shreyas Naidu, that's not the answer. That's not the logic. Ruchita, yes, but why? But why is the question? Madhumita, what is the answer? Ruchita, what is the logic? Harshit, Bhagirath, Shrestha, yes, Tara, what is the logic? Shreya, that's not the answer, Shreya. You got to think a little bit. It's not so easy. Think about it. Shreya, okay. Madhumita, what is the logic, Madhumita? Okay, Shreya has come up with some logic. Then, see, Shreya, you can use that logic when all the numbers have the same number of digits. You can use that logic when all of them have the same number of digits. Yes, Madhumita has given the logic. Tara has given the logic. Now, if you see 28, Shreya, now concentrate. Now, everybody concentrate. 28 is what? 28 is 3q plus 1. 28. 65 is 4q plus 1. 126 is 5q plus 1. But D is not like, D cannot be written like that. 6 cube is 216. 216 plus 1 is 217. So yes, Shreyas, you got it right. Late revelation, but that's the answer. Answer is D. So Shreya, you've got the answer now. Shreya, Sairam Satvik, have you got the answer? Bhagirath, and yes, all of you. Harshit, yes. Now let's look at 13th. 13th, let's answer. Yashwant, what is your answer, Yashwant? 13th. Yes, Shreyas has answered. That's nice. Shreyas has answered. Madhumita has answered. Very good. Yashwant has answered. Yes. I mean, it's pretty obvious, no? Nitya has answered. Ashra has answered. See, all of them are divisible by 3. 20 minus 10, that is not. All the others are divisible by 3. Yeah, difference is not a multiple of 3. That's okay. Yeah. Okay, that's straightforward. Let's go on to 14th. 14th, what's the answer? Fourteenth. Okay, Yashwant has answered, Ashray has answered, Madhumita has answered. It's pretty simple and straightforward, no? Shreya has answered, Nitya has answered. Tara, why did you get that answer? Why did you get that answer? What is the logic, Tara? Why is that the answer? Just look again. Yes, Shreya has given the logic. Shrestha, you got it right. Sairam Satvik, you got it right. Yes. What about the rest? What's happening to the rest? Ruchita, yes, you got it right. Sai Nitin, welcome Sai Nitin. First time you are answering and first time you are participating. Good afternoon and welcome to the class. Sai Nitin, that is the answer. You got it right. What about the rest? Tara, yeah, Tara. The gap is not 2, 3, 4, Tara. If you look at the first letter, A and B, there is no gap. A and B, there is no gap, 0 gap. B and D, there is 1 gap. D and G, there are 2. G and K, there are 3. So gap is increasing by 1. Similarly, C and D, there is no gap. Similarly, BC, there is no gap. All right. Okay. D and F, there is 1. F and I. So the gap is increasing by 1, except in the case of D. In the case of D, what's happening? In the case of D, there is no gap. There is 0 gap here. There is 0 gap here. Then there is 1 here and 1 here. So this is totally different. So that is the answer. Every others, you have 0, 1, 2, 3. The gap is different. So answer is D. Okay, let's look at 15th. Okay, 15th. Shreya, why do you jump and give the wrong answers? Don't jump. Yes, Nitya, that's the answer. What is the logic though? I want the logic. What's the logic? Madhumita, that is not the answer. Yes, Sairam Satvik. Yes. Shreya now. Shreya, you got to resist your impulsive decision making. Yes, Shrestha. That's not the answer, Shrestha. Madhumita has got the answer. Okay. Madhumita has got the answer. Yes, Nitya. All turmeric, ginger, and potato, they all grow underground. They all grow underground. Tomato is grown over the ground. All right. Yeah, Tara, that's right. That's the logic. All grow underground except tomato. Let's look at 16th. 16th. Not easy. Let me see if you can answer. Not easy. Let me see if you can answer that. Take your time. Don't jump to conclusions. Okay. Lot of answers I'm getting. Why? Why there is so much of diversity in answers? Tara has given the answer. I want to see the logic. Sai Nitin has given some answer. No, Yashwan, that's not the answer. CH Shreya, that's not the answer. Madhumita, you got the answer, but why? Yes, Tara, you got it right. Yes, Shreya, correct. Madhumita, no. Yes, Shreyesh Naidu. Yes, that's right. Sai Nitin, yes. Akshita, no, that's not the answer. Now everybody concentrate. Everybody concentrate. Now, if you look at K, K is in the 11th position. If you write from A to Z, K is in the 11th position in the forward direction. Similarly, P is in the 11th position in the reverse direction. In the reverse direction, if you see, P is in the 11th position. If you look at MN, M is on the 13th position in the forward direction, N is in the 13th position in the reverse direction. So forward direction, if you take, all right, forward direction, if you take, this is 11, reverse direction, if you take 11. M is forward direction is 13th, N is 13th. Now, if you look at H, H is in the forward direction 8, forward direction is 8, and in the reverse direction R in the reverse direction is 9. Here it is 9, so there is a difference. Similarly, G and T are in the 7th position. 7th position this way, 7th position in the reverse direction. So answer is C. Answer is C. All right. So I hope everybody has got it right. Madhumita, have you understood the logic now? Okay. Everybody. Okay. Now let's go on to the 17th one. Let's go on to the 17th one. Yes, Sairam Satvik, you got it right. Yes, you got it right. Madhumita, you got it right. Yes. Sai Nitin, no, Sai Nitin, that's not the answer. Rishita, you got the answer. Yeah. Shreyas, that's the. Now I want the logic. What is the logic? What is the logic? Yes. Yeah, that's right, Satvik. Ruchita, you got the answer. Satvik says, where do you find an oasis? You find an oasis in a desert. All the others are in sea. All the others are in sea. Okay. Madhumita, yes. Oasis is something you find in what? In a desert. Harbor, coast, island have to do with the ocean. Okay. So answer is oasis. Okay. Let's go on. 18th one. 18th one. 18th one. Yes, Yashwant, that's right. Your answer is right. Okay, 18th one. We have gone to the 18th. Sai Ram Satvik, Ashray has answered. Akshita has answered. Okay. Not consecutive. Okay. Okay. Consecutive. Yes, Tara, you got it right. Sai, Nitin, everybody has got it right. TU consecutive, DE consecutive, PQ consecutive, but M and O, there is N in between. So N comes in between. They are not consecutive. Answer is C. Interestingly, MO is a abbreviation that is used in crimes by police, law enforcement. They use MO. MO is a short form that is used by policemen all over the world. Can somebody tell me what MO actually represents? What is the full form? MO is a short form used by police in crimes. Okay, MO is a short form used by law enforcement people, okay, by police, by investigating people who know. Not a guess, not a good guess, Sai Ram Satvik. MO, that's not the guess, Satvik. Let's see if somebody else can answer this. You're all good people, good students. You don't watch too many. No, Shreyas. Yes, Sai Nitin. Yeah, Sai Nitin watches a lot of crime drama on TV. I'm sure about that. Do you watch that, Sai Nitin? Yes, Yashwant also has given the answer. Yashwant? Yeah, he's given the answer. Tara has also given the answer. No, that's not the logic. Shreyas, that's not. Shreyas, you are busy with PUBG. You don't watch crime thrillers on TV. So some of you watch crime thrillers on TV. Sai Nitin, I'm sure, does it. All right. So MO is modus operandi. Modus operandi. MODUS. Modus operandi. So often criminals use the same method to, for example, steal or kill. So serial killers, it is said, they often use the same method of killing. Similarly, a burglar uses the same way of opening, say, almirahs, etc. So it is called their MO. MO means modus operandi. That's what I'm trying to explain, Shreyas. What it means is the same method that is used by a criminal to commit a crime. That is known as modus operandi. All right? Okay. So MO, let's go on. Okay, that has got nothing to do with BitSat. Okay, let's go on to 19th. Okay, 19th answer. Yes, simple, straightforward, kindergarten level. This is kindergarten level. Okay, answer is B. Don't ask me why. Let's go on. 20th. 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 What's the answer? Why? Why? A lot of people have answered. Madhumita has answered. But why? Shreya has answered. Shreya has answered. Okay. Okay, Sai Nitin has answered. Okay. Now just see, I mean, just look at the letter series. Okay, V, U, V, W, X. V and W 0, W, X 1. All right. Q and R 0, 1. LM 0, 1. Gap is 1. Whereas in the case of JKL, They are consecutive. Answer is D. All right. Yeah. Nitya, what is the answer you are giving, Nitya? What is the answer you are trying to give? What's the answer? Nitya? Did you get JKL is the answer? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay, chalo. Let's go on to 21. Let's go on to 21. A different logic. Let's see. Let's see how sharp you are before lunch. Lunchtime is approaching and let's see how sharp you are. Shreya has given the answer but doesn't look like the answer. Yeah, it is the answer. Shreya is the answer. Shreya has given the answer. Yes, Shreya, you got the logic. You got the logic. Let's see if others can answer. Okay, let's see if others can answer. Sai Nitin, why Sai Nitin? Why is that the answer? Tara has given the logic, not the answer. Shrestha, yes, the answer. Anjali has given the answer. Ruchita has given the answer. Good. Ruchita. Rishita has given the answer. Yes, Rishita, you have slowed down a bit today, Rishita. You are a little slow today. What is the reason? Madhumita has given the answer. Kiranmai, yes, you have given the answer. Rishita, what is the problem today? You are not fast today. Okay. What about the boys? None of the boys. The boys are all silent except Sai Nitin, but he has given the wrong answer. Harshit, Bhagirath, and our VIP, VVIP, Shreyas Naidu. No, Nitya. That is not the logic. That is not the logic, Nitya. Tara, yes, Ruchita. Tara has given the answer. So I'm going to, yes, Sairam. Oh, now Sairam Satvik does a lot of lateral thinking. Okay, so he has come up with an out of the box answer. What is your logic, Sairam Satvik? Shreya, why? Shreya, why? What is the answer? What is the logic? Sairam Satvik, what is your logic? Oh, that is, okay, that's hardly a difference. Shreya, that cannot be the answer. Yes, Madhumita, that's the answer. So if you see all of them, 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 17. Straight and obvious. 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 16. 2 plus 6 plus 9 plus 0 is 17. And 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 4 is again 17. So, sorry. So answer is not D. Answer is, okay. Answer is B. Answer is B. Okay. Let's go on. That's simple and straightforward. Okay. So let's go on to 22. 22. What's the answer? What's the answer? Sai Nitin. Why? What is the logic, Sai Nitin? What is the Sati? Okay, one can, okay, one can say that. Yes, Madhumita. Yes. Shreya, why? Shreya also does a lot of lateral thinking. Shreya, why is that the answer? Okay, Tara, you got it right. I want the logic, Tara. Yeah, Sairam Satvik. Yes. Kiranmai, no, Kiranmai. That's not the answer, Kiranmai. Okay, why is that the answer? No. Sai Nitin. No, sorry, Sai Nitin, that is not the answer. Okay. Okay. So Tara says they are odd numbers. All the others are odd numbers. And B contains only even number. So, okay, there are other ways of looking at it. Abu, Shreya is given a very complicated logic. It is not true, Shreya. No, no way. Just consider, just look at it again. It doesn't look right. Okay. So it's so obvious now. Shrestha has given the answer. It's so obvious. 16 minus 24. There are common factors. 50, I mean, it's divisible perfectly. As Sairam Satvik or somebody has pointed out, the others contain at least one prime number. There are a lot of things, there are a lot of factors which makes up B as the answer. B as the answer. Okay, let's go on. Let's go on to 23. Okay, let's quickly do it. 23. 23 is simple. Simple and straightforward. I want the answer. Yes, Shreya. Okay. Yes, 23. Shreya always comes up. I said, cut down on your impulsive decision making, Shreya. Kiran Mai. Ruchita, I mean, everybody has given a different answer. Now this is interesting. Yes, Shreya, that's right. Okay. Now don't make such mistakes, Shreya, in the test. Sai Nitin, somehow you like that particular alphabet. You always give that answer. Yes, Yashwant has given the answer. Nitya, that is not the answer, Nitya. How do you define a radius? How do you define a radius then? Okay. Tara, yes, Tara, that is the answer. Arc, tangent, radius, all of them are related to a circle. Diagonal is not, that is the answer. Yes, Shreya, that's right. Arc, tangent, and radius are all related to a circle. And in the case of diagonal, it is not related to a circle. Let's go on. 24. 24, what is the answer? Quickly, let's quickly finish it off. 24. Ruchita, no Ruchita, that can't be the answer, Ruchita. Yes, Yashwant, but I want the answer, but I want the logic. Rishita, yes. No Ruchita, that is not the answer. Nitya, no. Okay. Madhumita, yes, but what is the logic? Yes, Harshit, that's the answer, but why? Shreya, no, that's not the answer, Shreya. Okay, Tara, yes. Yes, that's the answer. See, whale is a mammal. Whale, wherever you have whale, you can easily make out that involves mammals and non-mammals. So whale is a mammal. All right, whale is a mammal. Simple. Whale is a mammal. Snake also can go through water. Somebody has given the answer. No. Whale is a mammal. Okay. Okay, Tara, answer the questions, whatever questions that come to you, please answer them. That itself is good without making any mistakes. Okay, 25 is like a simple question. Let's answer this quickly. Yes. Yes. Banana is the answer. Banana is the answer. Okay, 26. 26. 26, what's the answer? 26, what's the answer? Yes. That's right, all the others are gases. 26, 27. That's a tiger. Okay, there's a tiger, 27. There's a tiger, okay? There's a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Sairam Satvik, what are you trying to answer? Yeah, yes. Yeah, that's right, Satvik. Sairam Satvik. Fox is the answer because all the others, no, tiger is not the answer. Answer is fox because all of them, tiger, lion, leopard, all belong to the cat family. All belong to the cat family. Okay. Fox doesn't belong to the cat family. Okay, 28. 28 is simple. 28. 28 answer, yes. 28 answer is B, calculator. Let's go on to 29. 29. 29. 29, yes. Yep, 29 is A. 29 is A. Let's go on. 30. 30, what is the answer? 30, quickly. 30, what's the answer? 30. Yes. So 30 is also simple. So straightforward. So that brings us to a close as far as this exercise is concerned. What we have done is we have looked at odd men out. Now, only thing in odd men out is you should not make impulsive decisions. You have to consider all options. You have to consider all options. There may be an eye catcher there and will force you to think differently. So don't make impulsive decisions. They're all easy. So what all you have to do is answer questions after giving due thought. And one of the most important things is do not fall for eye catchers. Look at all the options. The only problem with odd man out is it's an easy question, but your chances of getting negative marks are the highest in odd man out. Okay, like we have seen today. A lot of people have given answers which are not right, though they're all easy. Tara wanted difficult questions, but the easy questions are the questions which create a lot of trouble for us. So we'll have to ensure that we get those +3. Otherwise, the danger is we will land up with -4. Okay, so that is a problem. Okay, so don't make such mistakes. So odd man out is easy. Only thing is don't make impulsive decisions. Look at all the answers. Look at all the options and try to answer. Okay, so keep that in mind and let's see how your track record is in our grant test and part test. Okay, we'll meet you again on Monday and try to complete logical reasoning. Okay, all the best.